the AI automation system to get you more traffic, leads, sales, and customers to grow your business. And then, yeah, basically, so inside here, we're going to set up a new Reddit, make the name of the subreddit. Let's say we sell the AI Profit Boardroom. So we would call it the AI SEO Insider. Right? If you can't think of names, so for example, you can go in ChatGPT and say, okay, right, give me 5 names. And then you're like the Smart Traffic Lab, AI Builder Circle, Profit with AI Workflows, AI Scaling Playbook, or the AI Growth Systems subreddit. Right? Those are all names that we could use. So if you want to steal that prompt, I'll put it inside the video notes from today, and then you can grab that like so. All right. And then you're going to create content daily with Claude AI. Now, here's how we normally do it. So we go into YouTube, we're going to create content daily with Claude. Now, here's how I do it. So I actually just take my existing content, and that could be a tweet from you, it could be a blog post, it could be a social media post, it could be whatever, even an idea, right? And then what I typically like to do, and this is what my team does actually, we don't do this anymore. I don't do it personally. And I actually have a custom prompt for this inside the AI Profit Boardrooms. But normally, you just say, okay, again, my prompt is 10 times better, but we would say like create an article about this topic. Right. And I like to use Claude. The reason that I like to use Claude is because it creates the best content. It creates the most sentient content. It's far better than ChatGPT or Perplexity or any of these other tools when it comes to writing. It's the GOAT. It is goated, my friend. All right. And so it will create an article like this. And then basically, yeah, that's how it works. And then what you do, you just can quality control it, like I talked about before. And then you can go straight on to Reddit, put in the post details like this, and then you take the title and plug it in there, right? Something like that, right? And there you go, boom, ready to go. And then you just hit post like so, or you can schedule it, or you can save it as a draft. Pretty simple and easy. Now, the other thing to note here is you want to insert like some content inside it. So if we have a look at previous posts, so for example, like this one, you can see that we have the video at the top embedded. So we have the title, the video, and then one of the most important things here, we actually have the funnel links inside the content as well, right? Because it's one thing getting traffic and attention. It's one thing getting attention and getting views, but you want to turn that into traffic and leads and sales and customers, right? And so that's why we funnel inside the article